Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, make sure your PS5 is powered and online, then sign into your PlayStation Network account. Once done, pick up your DualSense and press the PS button to reach home. Move to the top right and open Settings, that gear icon. It's the central hub for updates. You're skipping obvious setup, so jump straight to System. This step prepares the console and lets you check firmware or game updates in a controlled way without unnecessary steps. You now navigate deeper. Select System, then System Software. From here, pick System Software Update and Settings so you can view available firmware. Once you choose Update System Software, select Update using Internet. The PS5 will search for the latest firmware automatically. If an update is found, follow the prompts and let the console download and install it. Don't power off the console during that process. This ensures your system stays secure and compatible with newest features and games. Finish by ensuring games and apps are current. Highlight a game on Home, press Options, and choose Check for Update. Once done, enable automatic updates in Save Data and Game/App settings so future patches download while in rest mode. If an update fails, reboot the PS5 first, then check your network connection. Make sure NAT and router aren't blocking PlayStation services. As a last resort, reinstall the game or rebuild the data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.